seems that I took the wrong bus. I had the express, and the gentleman on the bus, the driver, told me next time you gotta take line number 3 if I'm correct, because that's the express and he doesn't stop everywhere. So yeah, he was nice. People are real nice out here, and I think I need to go that way for like a viewpoint. Okay, that's where I needs to be. Crescent Heights lookout point. Can even see the mountains in the back. So this is the Crescent Heights lookout point, where you can see the skyline of Calgary, which is pretty cool. There are even cool benches out here, so you can relax, do a picnic, whatever, and enjoy the city. Okay, we did chill up here for a bit. I gotta check out the next destination since I don't know for sure. I'm just gonna go up north, you know, just roaming the streets and see whatever's out there. Let's go.